Hello everybody, I'm D-Dog M. Today I had track and field, and for long jump, unfortunately I didn't place. There's a thunderstorm going on outside. If you listen closely, you can hear it. And there's my kitty, Misha. Don't bite me. And it's raining super, super hard. I can't hear it right now, but my dog Bo is going absolutely crazy. Reason why I open up my window. Oh, hear him in the background? Oh, starting to hear a bit more. That's absolutely crazy. Wowzers. Yeah, I just wish I could get some lightning on camera, which is kind of unfortunate that I never got any. Oh, did you guys hear that? I hope you all can hear that. Not my dog going crazy, but the thunder that we just got. Oh. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I really hope you guys can. Oh! Oh my God! Oh!